Integration in logical learning.
Human food, vitamin, minerals and water. Concluding part. Definition. A vitamin is an essential compound of organic molecules that cannot be synthesized in the body but acquired through the diet that the person intakes. It is taken in sufficiently small amounts and is beneficial in many metabolic processes of the body. Now the types. There are two main types of vitamins: fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E and K, and water-soluble vitamins, vitamin B and C. As the name suggests, fat-soluble vitamins are stored in the fatty tissues and can be stored in the body for longer periods of time, to be eventually consumed up later, while the water-soluble vitamins cannot be stored in the body as they are excreted out in the urine by the excretory system and needs to be taken regularly. Vitamin A, retinol. Source: green leafy vegetables, ripe yellow fruits, guava, milk, liver, nuts, tomatoes, oranges, carrots, broccoli, watermelon, etc. Functions: vitamin A is required for the maintenance of normal vision. Deficiency in vitamin A can lead to visual disturbances. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy immune function, and deficiency which can lead to an impaired response to the infection. One form of vitamin A, retinoic acid, is a key hormone like growth factor for the epithelial cells and the other cells types in the body. Vitamin A in the form of retinoic acid is essential for the gene transcription. It maintains the skin health by activating the genes that can cause immature skin cells to develop into mature epidermal cells. Deficiency: hyperkeratosis, night blindness and the keratomalacia. Vitamin D. Source: fish, egg, liver, beef, cod liver oil, chicken. Function: the major biological function of vitamin D is to maintain the normal blood levels of calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin D aids in the absorption of calcium, helping to form and maintain the strong bones. Deficiency: rickets and osteomalacia. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Source: fresh fruits, black currant, broccoli, goat milk and chestnuts. Function: it is necessary for the growth, development and repair of all the body tissues. It is involved in many body functions including the formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the immune system, wound healing and the maintenance of cartilage, bones and teeth. Deficiency: scurvy. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Source: potatoes, pumpkin, guava, mango, milk, nuts, seeds, etc. Function: in the body, it acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect the cells from the damage caused by the free radicals. Free radicals are compounds formed when our bodies convert the food we eat into energy. It also prevents the sterility in some cases. Deficiency: heart problems, hemolysis, sterility. Vitamin K, phyloquinone. Source: tomatoes, broccoli, chestnuts, cashew nuts, beef, lamb, mangoes, grapes, etc. Function: it plays a role in blood clotting, bone metabolism and regulating the blood calcium levels. The body needs vitamin K to produce prothrombin, a protein and clotting factor that is important in blood clotting and bone metabolism. Deficiency: hemorrhage. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is composed of 8 B vitamins. They are B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B9, folic acid, B12, cobalamin. Each of these essential vitamins contributes to overall bodily function. B1, thiamine. Source: the richest food sources include pork, sunflower seeds and wheat germ. Function: thiamine plays an essential role in metabolism by helping the convert nutrients into energy. Deficiency beriberi. B2 riboflavin. Source: foods highest in riboflavin include organ meats, beef and mushrooms. Function: riboflavin helps to convert the food into energy and also acts as an antioxidant. Deficiency: slow growth, slow rise. B3 niacin. Sources include chicken, tuna and lentils. Function: niacin plays a role in cellular signaling, metabolism, and DNA production and repair. Deficiency: pellagra. B5 pantothenic acid. Source: liver, fish, yogurt, avocado are all the good sources. Function: like other B vitamins, pantothenic acid helps your body obtain energy from food, and it is also involved in hormone and cholesterol production. Deficiency: fatigue, insomnia, depression. B6 pyridoxine. Source: foods highest in this vitamin include chickpeas, salmon, and potatoes. Function: pyridoxine is involved in amino acid metabolism, red blood cell production, and the creation of neurotransmitters. Deficiency: skin rash, sore lips, mood changes. B7 biotin. Source: yeast, eggs, salmon, cheese, and liver are among the best food sources of biotin. Function: biotin is essential for carbohydrate and fat metabolism and regulates the gene expression. Deficiency: hair loss, red rashes on the face, depression, lethargy. B9 folate. Source: it can be found in foods like leafy greens, liver, and beans, or in the supplements as folic acid. Function: folate is needed for the cell growth, amino acid metabolism, the formation of red and white blood cells, and the proper cell division. Deficiency: tiredness, weakness, heart palpitation. B12 cobalamin. Source: B12 is found naturally in animal sources like meats, eggs, seafood, and dairy. Function: perhaps the most well-known of all the B vitamins, B12 is vital for the neurological function, DNA production, and red blood cell development. Deficiency: anemia, heart palpitations, etc. Calcium. Source: milk, cheese, and other dairy products provide about half of the calcium. Calcium is also provided by some green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage, but not spinach. Fortified soya products and fish eaten with the bones such as sardines, tinned salmon, and whitebait. Function: the body needs adequate dietary calcium alongside vitamin D and several other nutrients such as vitamin K to develop and maintain the healthy bones and teeth. Calcium also plays a vital role in many systems, including intracellular signaling to enable the integration and regulation of metabolic processes, the transmission of information via the nervous system, the control of muscle contraction, including the heart, and the blood clotting. Definition: minerals are the inorganic substances required by the body in small amounts for a variety of different functions. Types: macroelements. Macroelements are the minerals of which the body needs more amounts and are more important than any other elements. Examples: calcium, sodium, etc. And what are microelements? Elements which are required by the plants in only very small amounts are known as micro or trace elements. Example: boron, molybdenum, etc. Phosphorus. Source: phosphorus is abundant in red meat, dairy products, fish, poultry, bread, rice, and oats, and they are usually found in foods that also contain calcium. Function: the major function of phosphorus is in the formation of the bone components. It is essential for the healthy bone and the tooth structure. There is a dynamic equilibrium between the calcium and the phosphate in the continual remodeling of bones. The rest of the body's phosphorus is distributed in all the cells. It is essential for the structure of the cell membranes in phospholipids. Intracellular phosphorus contributes to a number of processes associated with the energy metabolism. Sodium. Source. Most raw foods contain very small amounts of sodium chloride or salt. Function. Sodium is responsible for regulating the body water content and electrolyte balance. Sodium is also required for the absorption of certain nutrients and water from the gut. Sodium is a component of common salt known as sodium chloride or NaCl. Magnesium. Source. Magnesium is present in both the plant and animal cells and is the mineral in chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, and so is the widely available. Sources include green leafy vegetables, nuts, bread, fish, meat, and the dairy products. Function. Magnesium is an essential mineral present in all the human tissues, especially in bone. It is needed for the activation of many enzymes, for example, enzymes concerned with the replication of DNA and the synthesis of RNA, and for the parathyroid hormone secretion. It is also needed for the muscle and the nerve function. Iron. Source. Liver, red meat, pulses, nuts, eggs, dried fruits, poultry, fish, whole grains, and dark green leafy vegetables are all sources of iron. Function. Iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells. Hemoglobin binds the oxygen and transports it around the body. Iron is also an essential component in many enzyme reactions and has an important role in the immune system. In addition, it is required for the normal energy metabolism and for the metabolism of drugs and foreign substances that needs to be removed from the body. Potassium. Source. Potassium is present almost in all the foods but fruit, particularly the bananas, vegetables, meat, fish, shellfish, nuts, seeds, pulses, and milk are the useful sources. Function. Potassium is essential for water and electrolyte balance and the normal functioning of the cells, including nerves. Increased dietary intakes of potassium have been associated with a decrease in blood pressure as it promotes the loss of sodium in the urine. It is suggested that an increase in potassium intake may offset the impact of some of the sodium in the diet, therefore helping to protect the cardiovascular health. Copper. Sources of copper include shellfish, liver, kidney, nuts, and whole grain cereals. Function. It is a component of many enzymes and is needed to produce red and white blood cells. The body also needs copper to utilize the iron efficiently, and it is thought to be important for the infant growth, brain development, the immune system, and for the strong bones. Water. Definition. Water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance which is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of most living organisms. Role as a nutrient. It helps create saliva. Water is a main component of saliva. Saliva also includes small amounts of electrolytes, mucus, and the enzymes. It's essential for breaking down solid food and keeping your mouth healthy. It regulates the body temperature. Staying hydrated is crucial to maintaining the body temperature. It protects tissues, spinal cord, and joints. Water consumption helps to lubricate and cushion your joints, spinal cord, and the tissues. It also helps to excrete the waste through perspiration, urination, and defecation. It helps to maximize the physical performance. It helps to prevent the constipation. It aids in digestion. It helps with the nutrient absorption and it also helps to lose weight. It improves the blood oxygen circulation. It helps to fight off illness. It prevents overall hydration as well. Thank you for watching this video.